Alright guys, in today's video I'm going to teach you where's the micro SD card right here on your switch. So, that said, I'm going to show you where it is. So it's underneath here, just have to lift this up. And then here it is. To take it out, all you have to do is just press and it's going to come out. So you press on it and it pops out, okay? And just slide it out and that's it. So this is not something that comes installed on your switch. Or if you bought a brand new switch, you would not see this in your switch already. It would be very, 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 very rare for you guys to get this stuff on your switch. This is something that you buy. So if you guys forgot or you bought a used one maybe that came with an SD card, that's where it is. But a brand new one would not come with this. You would have to buy one yourselves. It does not have to be this brand or the exact same one that I'm showing you. This is just the one that I got for it. But anyways, as far as this video goes, we're all done. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write them in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.